the evolution of how we've done the alternative delivery has grown over the years. I think we have a far better understanding as a company of what it takes to do these large infrastructure projects, especially when we're using alternative deliveries such as CMGC. I think MWH is very well situated to be able to provide the level of collaboration with the client that is really required for these large, complicated projects.
Our track record on large jobs is pretty strong, and we've got people who understand what's important to making a large job successful.
We excel at the pre-construction phase of the project when we're working with the client and with the designer to sort of develop the design for the plants, both at SFPUC, for Bull Run and for Walnut Creek down in Austin. We have people who have worked on these pre-construction or large projects prior and bring a lot of knowledge and understanding of how that process works. So I think that pre-construction phase is just vitally important for us to be able to sort of lay the groundwork for us to then roll into the construction phase of the project and really hit the ground running.
One of the first projects I went after was our Pima County job, which was $220 million. And we were successful with that. And then shortly after that, the Austin Water Treatment Plant 4. And then following that, San Francisco, and then Portland.
We have a better understanding of bringing local benefit for these projects. So using sort of parts of the equity community or co-bid, minority women-owned business companies to be able to better deliver a project that benefits the region that we're building the project in. I think we've become far more adept and skilled at being able to incorporate those facets into the delivery of the projects to the benefit of both the client and the local community.
The thing that makes me feel the warmest and strongest and best about this project was the team of people that MWH brought in to do the project. I couldn't be prouder to be part of the community that built this, part of the team from MWH that built it.
The company has given me a lot of great opportunities over the years to be able to work on some of these really key infrastructure projects. Well, to talk to our byline of building a better world, and I think with doing our water treatment and wastewater treatment projects around the country, we truly are sort of making a difference. And so for me, it's always been a very good fit to stay with MWH over the years. And there are some real benefits long-term to being with a company for a prolonged period of time, so that you get to know the business that we do, to get to know the culture, to get to know the people within the company, and to be able to sort of formulate how you see your future in the company and how you'd like to see things move and what direction you want things to go. So I think there are some true benefits with starting with a company and then staying long term.